Have you ever pondered if the moon, our celestial companion, has been the same size throughout its existence? The answer might surprise you. It's actually been shrinking. Yes, it's true. The moon is becoming a little more slender as time goes by, losing about 150 feet over the last several 100 million years. But why is this happening? The key to understanding this lies in the moon's interior. As the interior of the moon cools, it causes the moon to contract. This process is similar to how a grape shrinks and wrinkles as it dries out to become a raisin. However, the moon's surface crust is brittle, so rather than wrinkling smoothly, it breaks as it shrinks. This breaking forms what scientists call thrust faults, where one section of the crust is pushed up over a neighboring part. The moon's shrinkage isn't just a silent process, it's also causing moonquakes. As the surface crust breaks and forms thrust faults, it causes tremors that we can detect as quakes. In fact, astronauts placed seismometers on the moon during the Apollo missions, and these recorded 28 shallow moonquakes from 1969 to 1977. However, rest assured that the moon's shrinkage is too small to have any impact on Earth's tidal cycles, and despite becoming a little slimmer, the moon isn't losing any mass. To sum up, the moon is shrinking due to the cooling of its still hot interior, a process that results in the formation of thrust faults and causes moonquakes. This shrinkage is comparable to the process of a grape drying into a raisin. And while the moon is getting a tad bit smaller, it's not affecting our tidal cycles or losing any mass. Interesting, isn't it? But as we look forward to further lunar exploration, this shrinkage and the resulting surface warping, particularly in the moon's south polar region, could pose challenges. It's a fascinating and complex celestial dance, one that we're only beginning to understand. Stay curious and keep looking up, and keep